In 2017, a very interesting study appeared on the internet. According to it, the number of accidents in parking lots has increased by 30% worldwide in 10 years. But don't worry, the solution to park perfectly is already here. For $19, you can even get a mat that you can glue or screw onto your parking lot. For example, on the floor of your garage. Afterwards, the process is simple. The bumps signal to the driver that they have parked correctly, and thanks to the edges, the mat will also collect water, dirt, and sand from the tires, keeping the garage clean. Are you tired of dealing with gas can? This pump will help you refuel generators, tractors, cars, and much more without any problem. It is automatic and runs at 9 liters per minute, so you don't have to lift heavy containers. It comes with a 3.5-foot hose, and the nozzle is versatile, adapting to a wide variety of fuel tanks, and the pump constantly monitors the process. If detects a leak, emits a signal. The price is about $93. Another innovation for lovers of smart devices, electrically operated stirrups that can be controlled through a mobile application. The running board is 7 inches wide, made of aluminum, works with iOS and Android, and connects via Bluetooth. The manufacturer offers a 5-year warranty, and you can also configure the footboard to activate when you open the door, as well as play with other settings such as the backlight. However, the product is quite expensive, $1,800. The next product on our list is these smart blinds for cars. They will not only prevent the interior from overheating, but also hide it from prying eyes, as described by their authors. It is the world's first remote-controlled security curtain and screen. It is planned to manufacture them individually for each make and model of car. The price starts at $79, and for this money the client gets 2 side sunshades. For the sunshades of the windshield and the rear window, you will have to pay $129 more. Snowfall is tough in December. London airports were disrupted and roadside assistance requests increased by 65% during the snowfall, so this accessory will surely be a great addition to the boot of British drivers. The model is versatile and will help prevent slipping. A compact car will be able to get out of mud, sand, or snow without problems, and installation is quite simple. The price is about $65. This is a car accessory that you can even put on a motorcycle. It is a gun-shaped exhaust pipe. Luckily for the drivers behind, it doesn't shoot. Instead, it turns spectacularly and is sure to be a sensation at car shows. These pieces are often made to order, and people in the comments ask for flames to be added. If I'm willing to shell out money for it, you can find a similar production model for around $1,000. The following is a more functional improvement that will appeal above all to camping lovers. What could be better than taking a shower after a day outdoors? The most compact model holds 4 gallons, its shape is optimized for a car rack, and a hose and nozzle are included. If you need more pressure, you can add an electric pump. Pricing starts at $450. We understand that wheel and tire damage is infuriating and expensive. The manufacturer is right, so why not enjoy the ride by eliminating the stress and hassle? All you have to do is buy this set of wheels for $66. You can find options for wheels from 12 to 14 inches, and you can choose from 14 colors to match the overall style of your car. These tracks are used to upgrade heavy-duty equipment such as construction. They are mounted over the tires to significantly improve off-road performance. The manufacturer is willing to create tracks based on equipment, weather, soils, and other parameters. There are universal and specialized models. For example, the Terra 85 model is a Caterpillar for any terrain. This model is effective throughout the year, saves fuel, and gives additional protection to the tires. Let's go back to the subject of snow for a moment. In late 2022, Japan was unpleasantly surprised by heavy snowfall in some prefectures, snow mounds reaching 6.5 feet high, and finding the car became a real odyssey for many. So in addition to shovels, car owners in this country could use this 4-in-1 system, which will help not only remove snow, but also scrape ice, inspect the car at night. The head is made of special foam that effectively removes even wet snow without damaging the paint. The price is $20. Next on our itinerary is this truck ladder. It's perfect for delivery companies, mechanics, construction workers, or logistics personnel. Its payload capacity is 300 pounds. It mounts to the tailgate and takes up 0-bit space. It can be installed on both sides. For $61, it can make the work easier. This compact device helps to start the engine when the battery is low. It is a multifunctional device. Manufacturers added a flashlight and a power bank function. When it performs its primary task, the jump starter has a battery is 15,000 milliamp hours. It runs for about 200 to 50 hours on a single charge, depending on usage. The built-in Bluetooth module allows you to link the device to the smartphone to always know the battery level, and the model is waterproof, so you can safely take it on a boat or on any adventure. Its price is $130. Finally, we have a curious solution for motorhomes and trailers. It helps you stabilize them when they are parked, avoiding unnecessary swaying and preventing the wheels from slipping. It weighs about 5 kilograms and adapts to different distances between wheels. All of this is complemented by a rust-resistant coating. Its price is $81. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video.